Hi folks, this is Lew, your friendly Bernina technician at G Street Fabrics. Okay, what we have here is our latest and greatest Bernina 990. It's here for its first annual checkup, and it's a complimentary checkup. When you buy a machine from us, the first year is free. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this multimedia section. This machine actually has two computers in it, the multimedia, and then there's another basic computer board down in here. So we're going to take this off. We take apart our machines because we have to take all the covers off before we can clean them. Okay, first I have to put on my grounding strap. Because we don't want to do any damage to the boards. I've already loosened some of the screws, so this will fold down right here. Now what I have to do is disconnect it. And we have some tie downs in here that we will eliminate. This is the fun part, because you get to disconnect all these wires and everything, if you want to take a closer look at it. But the worst part is you got to remember where they go back. Okay, and believe it or not, this has an HDMI cable in it, which we have to detach. And we have now freed up our multimedia display. So, thanks for stopping by, and we'll hope to see you soon.